We are going on a Sniffles Adventure at the Riverwalk Park. There's a lot of people, not only because it's Sunday, but there's also either some sort of private event or yeah, it could be a concert, but it seems to me more like an actual private Latin event in the other side of the park on the amphitheater. So yeah. Now another thing is kind of bummer that I thought I had a actual full battery on the 360 camera, and I realized I forgot to charge it. So I'm at the last, bar. So I don't know exactly how much footage I'm gonna end up getting, but let's make a video. Good boy. Yeah, he's going so crazy because all the odors, and he hasn't been in the park in a while. So he wants to mark everything. No Skittles in the grass. No Skittles in the grass. You're gonna end up with green paws. Silver. No Skittles in the grass. No Skittles in the grass. Let's go to the path. Okay, it's gonna be smoother. Smoother. And smoother. Yes. This park is so awesome. Okay, slow down, Papa. Good boy. Good boy slows down. So to my right hand side is the fishing pond. On the opposite side of the park there's another fishing pond, but people use it more for getting in the water during the summer because they allow you to get in the water. And so that over there I think is probably deeper, and people tend to like swimming over there. And back here we have the river, the current river, as you can see, and it is at full capacity. What a blessing for California, having all the rivers and lakes, technically at full capacity. I really love this park, even though I can't let go of Sniffles. I have to have him on a leash all the time, and it's quite crowded because a lot of people like me love it. There is just so much to do. If you have a bike, there's all the bike trails. Come and run. You can either run the park walk paths, or you can come up here to this actual bike trail that actually goes all the way across town, and I think it goes all the way to the other side of Bakersfield. So it's pretty cool. All the athletes and mainly people, professional athletes, there just go and train in that track. So that's pretty cool. So you're guiding me? You think you know where you're going? You cannot know where you're going. I just realized I forgot to fold the legs of the tripod, so you're gonna see them on the video. It shouldn't be a big deal. Most people don't look down there. Unless you're looking down to see Sniffles, then you are going to see it. Okay. We gotta stay on track. See, he'll pull because he wants to mark or he wants to sniff what's going on, because I have him on a short leash, so that makes it a little more difficult, to maneuver with the camera. So there may be some jolting and some occasional camera jerking around, but at the end of the day I'll see what I have and what I can work with. And that's the fun of making videos, that most of the time, whether you plan or not, you still have to explore the footage that you got, and so you have to make cuts of what you don't like, and so there's a lot of technical things involved that, for me, it's what makes it fun. The creative side where you have to make decisions and you have to pretty much put something together that at the end of the day you're going to be happy with, and hopefully people like it. So yeah, we're getting close to the event, so if you see all the way, I will say 1 o'clock from, from me, like facing me, yeah, it will be 1 o'clock, my 1 o'clock. That will be I guess the best way to say it, my 1 o'clock. That's where the top of the hill is, and you can see they have that gate and everything enclosed. So it is a private event. They are playing Latin music, so I think also the news, the Latin news, Univision, I believe it was. So the truck is over there parked, so yeah, it's quite an event. So I wonder what it was. Later on I'll probably can see it on their website, and so it might start getting loud as I'm walking this way. I've been staying on the background because if I go into the actual park, there's more people, which make him actually end up going a lot more crazy, because he acts like he's always, he kind of acts like overly entitled, like he feels that if you're near him you have to pet him, so he behaves like such a spoiled brat. So that's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna go this way back into the park somehow. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna end the footage right here, and then we'll go to another section over there, and then I'll start. So this is this side of the amphitheater. It's going to be really loud because they have that Latin music going on. So, oh, they have big dogs coming our way. So if you look in front of me over there, those are massive dogs. And my dog actually likes to play with other dogs, but I'm always getting nervous because I don't know how other people's dogs behave. So this is the other pond that I was talking about, the one that people use. They also fish in it, but usually you'll see all these people swimming. Right now it's too early in the year to actually go swimming, but they even bring those little pedal boats. They're like 2 people pedal boats, and then they just put them in the water or just have fun there. Okay, so we're going this way because the dogs are coming, and I don't want to deal with Sniffles. There's more dogs on the truck. Wow, 3 huskies, they want to get down. So, come on. So we're going to be walking this way, away from the music, because that's too loud. So, come on. We'll keep on walking. The parks out here tend to be a lot more eventful than other cities that I've been at. Let's go away from the trees, into the grass. I'm gonna go into the grass. Look. Over here you'll see a lot of people playing on a little stream of water that just runs to the other pond. They didn't have the water fountains on, so you didn't get to see the water fountains next to the amphitheater. That actually looks pretty cool. Focus. Come on, come on. Hey, focus on me. We're walking this way. There's certain people that he likes, so he wants to go, you know, he wants to go get close to them, maybe try to play or something. Mainly have them pet him, so it's interesting. There's a guy over there with like a Chihuahua mix, and I was like, it's the buffest Chihuahua I've ever seen, and he goes, it's not a Chihuahua, it's a Corgi, and I'm like, that shit is a Chihuahua. So that was so funny. Come on, this way. It's like he got offended that I called, you know, that I said that it was a Chihuahua. I'm like, I know Corgis. Corgis don't look like that. He may be mixed, you know, with the Corgi, but he is definitely not 100% Corgi. Not that it's bad. I mean, the little dog looks awesome. I mean, the muscles on that little dude are huge. So I think it's like the best mix for Chihuahuas. So that's pretty cool. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? It's getting hot, huh? Let's go see if I can give you water. You want some water? Okay, let's go get some water. Yeah, you seem to know where you want to go. Yeah, we'll give you water from that. I don't trust this pond that has all kinds of fish stuff and everything. So he likes to drink out of the water fountains, like the regular people water fountains. So he'll get up with his paws and then just drink water. So okay, I'm gonna go feed him some water. So look at this, guys. Somebody made with little petals a little path to a heart. This is the coolest thing. They're kind of blowing away, but let's walk it. This is so cool. This, focus, Papa, don't trip me. So let me put the camera in the center. Right here. Leave it, don't lick it. Come on, come on, come on.